Welcome this video. Create a stunner patio cover attached to your house. A dear guide introducing the allow of outdoor living space is grown exponentially in recent years with house owners skip to accent their living area beyond the confine of their house. A patio cover attached to your house not only provide shade and protection from the element but also add aesthetic value to your property. Can own or do it yourself project to construction. A patio cover can be a rewarding and Eva combining creating with practicality, planning and decor. The foundation of any successful project live in thought, plan and thoughtful decor. Before you are been consider follow protector, purpose and function, demate who you indicate to use the patio cover well. It set as any outdoor drink area and choose a long or a min fantastically space. This device well info the design, size and masterly also choose design aesthetic. Choose a design that complement your house static and your personal style, whether your perfect and modern range of contacts look impaired. Then the patio cover symbolic with your overall outdoor theme. Would often a time left and natural look consider red redwood and porcelain tree compound and popular creating do the thing and encourage tool basic tool like compounds as level tube mains and soft glass depend on your design. You mean also need a middle C post halo design and frame secured. Frame consider the frame of the patio cover using the select minimally personally soft. Also when appear soft gain such as going and ice projector when work with tone and mastering. Soft and consider soft should be a top minute thoughtful that consider porting ambience to clone of the soft by using project meaning and arcs. Overall, consider location, idea, the idea support for your patio cover, talk into account fantastic such as sunlight, aspire, window, decor, and the spell layout of your outdoor space. Permit and regulation. Check, locate, prompt, coding, and regulate to angle comfort before you starting. Consider some area any request. Permit your paint type a statement. Conclusion. Blowing a patio cover. A- Attach to your house thought a deep appear is a filament vental then elegant your outdoor living extension with careful plan, thoughtful design, and your right manically you can create a strange expel of your house then provide both fantastically and aesthetic. Remember the bite soft and consider with locate, regulate, thought out the project. Ask your point in the ex- editing your reward and with a charming and inviting outdoor space that your you and your loved one can enjoy of year of consider